Very good morning, students. So, students, today we'll revise kinds of sentences from your English grammar book, that is Unit 5. Children, before proceeding with the kinds of sentences, what do you mean by a sentence? A sentence is a group of words arranged to make a complete sense. It is a group of words. Group of words that are arranged systematically, that are arranged properly in order to make complete sense. That is a sentence. Now children, there are basically 4 kinds of sentences. How many kinds? 4 kinds of sentences. The first one is assertive sentence, which is also called as declarative, and it is also called as statements. Second is interrogative sentences. Third is exclamatory sentences, and the fourth one is imperative sentences. So we'll just revise the 4 kinds of sentences very quickly. The first one, assertive sentences. A-S-S-E-R-T-I-V-E. Assertive sentences. Children, assertive sentences. What are assertive sentences? The sentence that simply states something. वैसे sentence जो simply कुछ state कर रहे हैं, कुछ बता रहे हैं, that refers to assertive sentences. Children, they are also called as statements. इसको statements भी कहते हैं और इसको declarative sentence भी कहते हैं. For example, it is a beautiful painting. ये एक normal sentence है. An elephant has a sharp memory. Right? Then practice makes a man perfect. Simple sentences. तो जितने भी simple sentences होंगे that are stating something refers to assertive sentences. Now let's move to the next sentence, that is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. Now what do you mean by interrogative sentences? Children, the sentences that ask questions, जो भी वैसे sentences होते हैं जो questions पूछते हैं, that refers to interrogative sentence. And we always put a question mark at the end of interrogative sentence. जब भी हम कोई question पूछते हैं, then at the end of that question we put a question mark. Whenever this question mark is there, you can easily identify that sentence is a interrogative sentence. For example, is it a beautiful painting? Do children like Chinese food? Can you swim? What is your hobby? Have you ever been to America? Means जितने भी questions हो गए सारे के सारे आ जाएंगे interrogative sentences में. Now let's move to the third type of sentence, that is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences. Now what do you mean by exclamatory sentence? Children, the sentence that express some strong sudden feeling or emotion refers to exclamatory sentence. वैसे sentences जो कोई sudden feeling या emotion बताता है. For example, there are certain words like wow, what a beautiful painting, right? Hooray, I won the match. Alas, the horse is no more. मीन्स सडन फीलिंग. ये हम लोग प्लान नहीं करते कि हमें ये वर्ड यूज़ करना है, बट सडनली हम उसको बोल देते हैं. एक स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग होता है, एक इमोशन होता है, दैट कम्स फ्रॉम विद इन. इसको कहा जाता है एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. एंड वी पुट एन एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क आफ्टर this. See, this is an exclamatory mark, one line and a dot. For example, wow, the Chinese food is awesome. How nice of you. Well done. Wow, this book is awesome. Means जितने भी exclamatory sentences होंगे उसके end में we put an exclamatory mark. So this was the third kind of sentence. Now let's move to the last one. That is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences. Now what do you mean by imperative sentence? Children, these sentences, they express some command, request, advice or order. वैसे sentences जो कोई command, कोई request, advice ऑर्डर या सजेशन बताते हैं या एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, तो these types of sentences are called as imperative sentence and they generally end with a full stop. हम लोग generally full stop से इसको end करते हैं. There is generally a full stop at the end of imperative sentence. For example, don't eat junk food. Look at the painting. Always follow traffic rules. Please help me. Request कर रहे हैं, please help me. Command दे रहे हैं, don't eat junk food. Go and sit there. Keep silent. जितने भी कमांड या रिक्वेस्ट, एडवाइस, सजेशन एंड ऑर्डर होते हैं वो सारे के सारे इम्परेटिव सेंटेंसेस में आते हैं. सो दीज आर द 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस that we revised in this unit, in this video. Thank you so much.